Hello, good morning. Good morning to my followers and my subscriber. This Corolla 2016 customer complaint. There is knocking noise. They said already changed engine assembly, but this if running, it will create more sounds, knocking noise. Now the sounds become high. From yesterday, we are checking and under service on this car. We are investigate towards the possible cause. Now the sound become more noise. This is sound. Become more noise, more sound. But you will disconnect this connector from OCB. Still the same. So we will check all wiring connector from OCB is good. So check again. We try to replace the engine computer, engine ECU, the combo motor, because this one already, this engine already another engine, already new engine. So I will make another video when we are replacing the another computer of this Corolla, and also I will teach you how to reprogram the engine ECU. Okay, that's all. Thank you, my friend. Thank you all to all my followers and subscribers. Thank you very much for watching my video. So I will go back to workshop. But when we are removing the connector of OCB, the sound become less, not too much. The customer, they said they changed everything. OCB valve, OCB this sensor, and engine assembly, they change complete, but still the same sound, knocking noise. So I will make a part 2 video for replacing this engine ECU. Maybe the signal of OCB is not in proper signal, not correct signal, because too much sound from the engine. Now, when I removing the UCB bulb connector, the sound become less. You see, the sound become less when you remove this connector, another connector, backside of UCB. When you will disconnect while running, the sound become less. So we will try to check another computer. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video.